So, Mr. Stockman, what are the tips on car services?
So mainly we are looking at the brand, we are looking at the age of the vehicle, we are looking at the mileage of the vehicle, and we are looking at the terrain in which they are driving. But in general, they are standard. So I can give advice that for oil and filter change, you are looking at between 5,000 to 10,000 kilometers, meaning this is kind of mileage. For moderate use, you are looking at 2 services annually, which means between 6 to 12 months you can do 2 oil and filter changes. Then of course you have a full service between 15 to 20,000 kilometers, which is also an annual process. It can be an annual routine that you can adopt. Then the major service would be coming between 30 to 50,000 kilometers. This is achievable inside 18 to 24 months, which is 2 years. That's when you are looking at doing a major service. Then of course you have other utilities within the vehicle. You are looking at the transmission fluid changes. This can come between 60 to 100,000 kilometers. Then of course one of the most important aspects driving your car, we are looking at the coolant. The coolant, you can do a coolant flush depending on quality between 2 to 5 years. Then of course for your firing order, you are looking at spark plugs, which you can replace between 50,000 to 120,000 kilometers. And of course, it is also dependent on the quality of the spark plugs that you are using.
What are the exact benefits we are getting in return of that?
Servicing your car regularly, changing the oil filters, changing the oil, you are giving your motor, the engine itself, a good lifespan. Where you are changing the transmission oil, you are also preserving your transmission box, which is your gearbox. Where you are replacing the spark plugs, you are giving your car a smooth drive. That's what you are looking at. And this change of spark plugs also improves the consumption rate. So a lot of benefits, looking after your vehicle and ensuring that even at disposal, you get a good rate. These are the main benefits. Of course, above all is the reliability and dependability of your vehicle. And of course, we would want to continue to hear from you. If you are liking this series, continue to comment, subscribe, share, and of course, liking.